Execution cannot proceed because OnlineFix64.dll was not found means the DLL file is missing, blocked, or deleted, most commonly by antivirus or an incomplete installation. Follow these exact steps in order to fix it fast. Method 1. Check antivirus, most common fix. Windows Defender or antivirus often deletes OnlineFix64.dll automatically. Steps 1. Open Windows Security. 2. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. 3. Click Protection History. 4. Look for OnlineFix64.dll. 5. If found, click Restore. 6. Then add your game software folder to Exclusions path, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, Exclusions, Add folder. Method 2. Re-extract the full setup, very important. This error happens if files were not extracted correctly. Fix. Delete the current game software folder, re-extract the files using WinRAR, latest, 7-zip, recommended. Make sure all files are in the same folder. Do not run setup from inside the zip RAR. Method 3. Reinstall missing DLL components, safe. Sometimes required runtimes are missing. Install Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables all versions, DirectX, June 2010, .NET Framework latest. Then restart your PC and try again. Then method 4. Disable antivirus temporarily during install only. If antivirus keeps deleting the DLL, 1. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. 2. Install or extract the game software again. 3. Add the install folder to exclusions. 4. Turn antivirus back on. Method 5. Check quarantine folder. Many users don't realize the DLL is already quarantined. Location, Windows Security, Protection History, or your third-party antivirus quarantine section. Restore the file if listed. Important warning, do not download random DLL files from shady websites. They often contain malware and can damage your system. Always fix by restoring from antivirus, reinstalling the original files, re-extracting the package. Quick 30-second fix if you're installing a game repack. 1. Disable antivirus. 2. Re-extract all files with 7-zip. 3. Run setup as administrator. 4. Add game folder to antivirus exclusions. Tell me one thing so I can give you the exact solution. Which game or software shows this error? And does the error appear during install or when launching the game?